Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Taylor Swift's green dress on Dress to Impress with no VIP needed, and you only need 5 items. Just going to remove everything with the hair as well, because I didn't do much. I just used this hair and I think this color, and then I went to the wavy side and I went and used this hair in the, should I do half front, or I'll just do the back toggle, and then I'm just going to color it the same. Again, no flowers needed for this. I know the bangs aren't exactly the same, but I cannot recreate it. I've been trying to, it's just very hard. For the outfit itself, we're going to go to codes and make sure you have this. It's Pixie Uwu, turn off chains and color it this green. 77945F in glitter, and the second one too. And then for the straps, we're just going to go here and we're going to grab this dress in that same color and glitter for both. Then we are going to use these for the earrings, and that is it. Super simple outfit to do. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it, I'm losing my voice, in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.